Using Bluehost to manage your website involves a few simple steps, from setting up your hosting to managing WordPress. Here's a quick guide. Sign up for a hosting plan. Visit the Bluehost website and choose a hosting plan. Shared hosting is ideal for beginners. Register a new domain or use an existing one during the sign-up process. Log into your Bluehost dashboard. After purchasing, log into your Bluehost account to access the dashboard. Here, you can manage your hosting, domains, and email accounts. Install WordPress. Bluehost makes it easy to install WordPress. In the dashboard, click My Site, Create Site, and follow the prompts to install WordPress. You can also install other content management systems through the marketplace. Manage website files and emails. Use cPanel to manage website files, databases, and emails. You can upload website files using File Manager or set up an FTP account for remote file transfers. Customize your WordPress site. Log into WordPress via yourdomain.com/wp-admin to install themes, plugins, and create pages. Set up email accounts. In cPanel, click Email and Office to create professional email accounts linked to your domain.